Are you gonna sing?
No.
Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel.
Why is there cocktail sauce right there?
Today is Friday. We're at the beach. Got Charlie with us. And it's 10:50.
That was literally freezing.
Okay, but we're gonna go on the beach and check the flags and maybe go in for a swim. And then, yeah. So I want to go get us some towels.
Yeah, I'm
Emma.
And then I'm hoping we can go stop by the coffee shop for Frappy Hour because I need a coffee.
She needs a coffee, guys. Hey guys. I don't know what to say. We're going on the beach. And that's all I have to say.
We're going out on the beach. It's too early and too hot, so. We just got off the beach and now we're gonna head back to the house and dip in the pool. Look what somebody left in our golf cart. It's a cute little turtle. Now we're just driving to the house. The waves, because I wanted the waves were pretty decent. What do you think?
They were fun.
They were fun. This morning when we were driving the golf cart, we saw a guy and Charlie said it looks exactly like our dad.
Doesn't it?
I mean, we're back at the house and we're gonna go to the pool. Yeah.
Just like
It's been a while since I've vlogged, but we got out of the pool, got fraps, and then Haley came over with Gray. And me and Hope just went to Soul Balls and set up her table for her pop-up tomorrow. Are you nervous?
I'm nervous. Yeah, I'm very nervous. Nobody's gonna show up.
I'm sure somebody will show up.
At least Allie Grace will be there.
Yeah, Hope ordered shirts, but then I don't think they came in time, so I think that's so sad.
Thumbs down. What's going on right now?
It's probably gonna storm, but we're gonna go to music bingo
What
anyway.
are you doing, child? We'll see y'all.
Bye. Hey guys, it's 5:40, and right now I'm just chilling out. I'm about to take a shower, and then we're gonna go to the trading post for a music bingo tonight. Hope made me this cute little custom, so I can wear it to her pop-up tomorrow, so I'll vlog that, or part of that, at Soul Balls. So, yeah, gonna take a shower, and then get ready for dinner. Okay. I just got out of the shower, put some clothes on, and now I'm just gonna get ready for dinner. Now it's 6:05 and we're about to go to dinner.
You know what she just said?
Yeah.
Hey y'all, turn it so I can see myself, okay? So, you know, we're out here playing.
I'm keeping Barbie paint.
I don't want one. We're out here playing bingo, and yeah. I'm thinking of this one. We rode our bikes here, and I'm tired of scrap.
And I got thrown off the bike. But Charlie's gonna play bingo. We're gonna play bingo. Goodbye. Hey Barbie.
I need my food.
We're at Soul Bowls. It's good morning. I don't know.
Good morning. It's
11:10, and we've been up here since 9:30, and we're at Hope's pop-up. Super cute.
Yeah, we're having a good time out here.
Yeah. I think so far it's been success.
Yeah, it's been fun. Now we're kind of at a halt, but it's okay.
Yeah.
There's two little creepy girls I see sitting back there. Maybe they'll make their way over here soon.
Yeah. We've had like a variety,
Very big variety.
of people that came, so it's exciting.
Good times.
Good times. High tides and good times.
High time.
Cheers. I know. Emma's being nice and moving the turtle across the road.
Don't drop it.
I will. I know how a turtle works.
Oh, look at you.
So cool.
His name's
I just got back from Hope's pop-up,
and me.
and we just saved a turtle's life. And Emma's dancing to Pink. I'm gonna change and then eat because I'm hungry.
Are you going swimming with us today?
No, it's like gross out here. All right.
Come on, Emma.
Gosh, it's 3:20, and I'm about to get in the pool and play volleyball. They're playing and losing. It's a full pool today. Now it is 6:03, and I just got out of the shower. We swam in the pool, did pool volleyball, and I just took a shower, and now we're about to eat dinner. Right now I'm just wearing this giant Emerald Isle sweatshirt and some black gym shorts. But yeah, that's really about it right now. After dinner, we're kind of just gonna chill until Haley texts, because tonight we're throwing Megan a surprise birthday party because she turns 16 soon, and we just all wanted to celebrate, so I'll definitely vlog that. Yeah. Okay, that's it. We're at the surprise party. Surprise!
You Brad. What in the world? We were all looking at this. Here's your hat.
Oh, nice.
Tiara.
Alright, blow up your skate. Head out.
Look at all your presents, David.
I think Haley's got your car outside.
Oh, I'm gonna pop a bottle.
Whichever way you
It's gotta get a little more raw. Hold on.
It's alright.
Let's turn it on. Let's turn it on the little one.
Not staying on my head.
Alright.
There we go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tegan. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, let's
Get
go.
the cake. Get the dirt cake.
Earlier you're like, yeah, we're gonna get cake and then we're gonna get ice cream.
I said dirt.
It's a party and I got the word to cut.
You're gonna not be able to put that in there because that sounds so close it's copyrighted.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, tell us what's going on.
So we're at a party.
It is lit, bro. It is lit. I mean, party lasted 20 minutes.
Everyone's taking shots.
Yep.
She's having a panic attack.
I've had 2 shots of Gatorade, y'all.
Holy cow.
Holy cow.
Holy cow, she's 16.
How you feeling? Great. She's 16.
Not for 2 weeks, guys. Don't let her.
Not for 2 weeks. If you could guesstimate her age.
12.
Hey guys. Doing my nails.
And this takes forever. If you have one of these, you know it's like a long, drawn-out process. You be ready to sit here about 10 to 15 business days. I swear, that's what it feels like. But, ooh, I love that boy. That's what I had on. Oh, I still have it on this hand. I just, like, peeled it off this hand. Cute. We're about to go to Dunkin. Anybody want some pizza? We have some left for you.
That pizza, it looks like it's been microwaved like 3 times.
Yeah, I'm not really. Piper's crib, just by the way. Show them how you're crib. Here she goes. Oh, she's actually walking pretty normal. I swear it's just a ruse for my mother to give her attention. Anything else you need to tell everybody?
What did we do? We just had this surprise party that
yeah.
lasted 10 minutes.
And y'all ate burgers. We ate microwavable pizza.
And then we sat on the couch for like 2 hours.
Watching John Wick. Charlie fell asleep.
Yeah, Charlie fell asleep like 3 times. There's a party downstairs.
Yeah, apparently so. We'll probably maybe see y'all at Dunkin.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. We are on the golf cart. And we just got back from Dunkin.
Who said ow?
And Haley's scaring me in this car.
Is there somebody?
And now Hope's taking us home.
This is now returned to creek or crack. Yeah, crack. It was creek at first, now it's crack.
Yeah, now hers is cracking. Mine was creek tonight, so I mean mine was wait.
We need to take
mine
note
was
of what
cracked.
you got so we remember. And just up it for
If
me.
you want a good order on the finished product of my nails, one hand's okay. Goodbye. Bye, Hobie.
Love y'all. Bye.
Hello, guys. Hi, guys. I'm about to eat waffles.
Above you, night breezes seem to whisper, I love you. Birds singing in the sycamore tree.
We're going on the beach. Hey, we're
It's
going to the
Sunday.
beach.
Today is Sunday.
And we're going on the beach to go swim. Just leaves a White Castle. You on the beach. Look how dark it is over there. Going on the beach, but it's really dark out. Like it's about to storm.
Oh,
so we have to go quickly if we want to swim. Yeah.
Feel like sun on my skin. So this is love. I know it is. I know it sounds super cliche, but you make me feel some type of way. This is falling.
We're out here swimming in the rain. It's getting pretty dark. I had to put my camera up. So, yeah.
Me looking forward to the end.
And
11. And we got in the pool. We ate lunch. And now everybody's chilling because it's been raining for a long time. And I just painted this. Isn't it so pretty? I like it a lot. Would you buy a notebook if it had this on it? Yeah. Charlie's not so sure about that. I'm gonna take a shower. Guys, so me and Charlie just got back from the beach, and I was kind of mad because I didn't see any like surfers to laugh at because they failed surfing. It was we did that last night. It was really funny. There's Charlie. We're drinking a Sprite right now. Bye bye, y'all. Hi vlog. So right now it's 11:45, and I'm just getting ready to go to bed. Holy cow. Just went over to the Macklins and played some games. We played categories and BS, and it was fun having, just friends to go and play with that are your age and stuff. So because they had a wide age variety over there, so. I think today has been a pretty good day. It was kind of rainy today, but we still got to do a lot. So I think it was a pretty good day. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.